We just got changed. Well, I got changed. Having a little princess moment. And we are now married. We're married. Alexis, how do you think of everything so far? Everything looks so good. T-minus 4 hours till wedding. How we feeling? It's a great day. We are so happy. Do you like our Twilight wedding?
Yeah, what happens?
What happened? You know, you're asking a good question.
So yeah, we have Jasper in the window.
It's kind of like Twilight-esque right now. Pookie Revolution. Those are Pookies. Yeah, a little. Ooh, she's dripping. I love this. I don't want to get wet, but I love the rain. So this is exciting.
So beautiful. Hi.
Hi. What do you think?
I love it.
You look good too.
I love it.
I just want to look at you. You have such a nice face.
I love your veil. Okay, can I see? It looks gorgeous. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready.
Yeah, you're just moving so much.
I am. You look so pretty, and I'm just.
I know it's a lot.
It's all coming so
like,
fast.
You just gotta
yeah,
shake it
I'm good. Alexis, even though we're getting married today, which is a huge milestone with a lot of change for us, and start a whole new life together with new expectations, new pressures and responsibilities, I know we're gonna be fine because I'm marrying my best friend.
It's so surreal to me that we've lived in the shadows of each other's lives ever since I had moved back to Michigan. And that all it took was literally just one hello for the rest of our lives.
Well, I do believe we are spiritually connected and we're meant for each other. I believe even stronger in the foundation we built and what we're going to accomplish in our lives.
I have cherished literally every moment with you. I have always felt like we were weirdly spiritually connected with one another. And the moment we were at the park with Boyd and the cardinals were flying around again, I was like, yep, that's my soulmate. That's gonna be who I have a family with.
We've already had ups and downs together, so I know we can handle whatever comes our way. I'm not afraid of any statistics or opinions saying that marriages are hard or they can be tough, because I know we can work anything out and we always come out stronger.
I feel like we started at such a valuable age because we didn't know what we were doing, and we still don't know what we're doing. And I've come to peace that we're never gonna know what we're doing. But I promise to you, I'm gonna make that really fun. I would follow you anywhere in the world, and I know you would follow me anywhere in the world. So wherever we end up together, I know we'll be okay because I have you.
I can't believe I'm spending the rest of my life with you, and growing and changing, and I'm so lucky you're mine.
But I promise that I'm always going to be your biggest supporter. I'm going to help you through whatever you need in life. And I'm going to be the best version of me that I can be for you. And most importantly, I'm going to grow with you, as we always have.
I promise to always be your closest confidant, your staunchest protector, and whatever you need me to be as we enter this next chapter of our lives. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
I can't even speak clearly.
I'm just excited to be like starting my life with you. Just be with you, really.
It's just the beginning.
I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of Alexis, Alec, and their parents. They all realize the effort and time it took for all of you to be here today and want you to know how much it truly means to them that you're here. Let the tethering of hands to one another symbolize the spiritual journey of Alexis and Alec as they're moving into their future together as one and the start of their lives together. Having proclaimed love and commitment to one another in the sight of these witnesses and myself, I am so happy to pronounce you as husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. I introduce to you the newlyweds, Alec and Alexis.
We were going to the University Center to have lunch, and Alec came with me, and I asked, "Hey Alec, do you mind if I bring my friend Alexis with us?" And he's like, "Okay, that's fine." We sit down at lunch, introduce each other, and then after 2 months, I realized Alec is not sitting next to me at the booth at lunch anymore. He's sitting right next to Alexis. No hard feelings.
Alec didn't date a whole lot in high school, and then he went off to college, and suddenly he was very nervous one night, and he had to go out on a date. So he went out on the date, he came back and he was very happy. And then he went out on another date, and he was a little less nervous. And he went out on enough dates that finally he just stopped telling us. Until we got to today. Two wonderful young people who have a very special connection that we all care about.
We had our first bi-new formal, and I remember Alexis saying that she was gonna bring her new boyfriend.
It was me.
It was her. Shocker.
And if we've learned nothing else tonight, we know it was all Cameron's doing. It's his fault.
And I just want to raise a toast to these two lovely individuals, and I wish them a happy day, and the next day, and forever after.
And we look forward to what your future holds. We love you.
Cheers to the wonderful couple.